Blocking someone on X is a straightforward process that helps you manage your interactions and maintain your privacy. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the X app or website. Launch the X app on your mobile device or visit the X website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Find the user. Navigate to the profile of the user you wish to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your followers or following lists. Step 3. Access the options menu. Once you are on the user's profile, look for the options menu. This is typically represented by 3 dots or a gear icon, usually located near their profile picture or username. Step 4. Select block. In the options menu, find and select the block option. This will prompt a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to block this user. Step 5. Confirm the block. Confirm your decision to block the user by selecting yes or confirm in the prompt. Once confirmed, the user will be blocked and you will no longer see their posts or interactions. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on X and take control of your online experience.